So you might be trying to figure out how you could set up your shop within TikTok. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So to do this, what you're going to want to do is you want to hop inside of your Google Chrome browser, Safari browser, whatever the case is, and you basically just want to search up Setup TikTok Shop on Google. Now, what we're going to want to do is we want to go ahead and open up a TikTok shop within the TikTok website. Now, you might be able to do this within the application, but you should see something like this that says like Join TikTok Shop today. You want to go ahead and tap on that. Now, when you do that, this other panel is going to come up. Now, what you're going to want to do here, it's going to say TikTok Shop is an all-in-one, whatever the case is. You want to go and tap on Sign Up Now. So when you're in this panel, you want to tap Sign Up Now, which is right there. And then it's going to tell you basically you can become a seller today. So what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically fill this information out. Now, it does require a bit of information, which I'll go and show you now. It's going to say Shopping Made Simple. What you're going to want to do is you want to scroll at the very bottom and it says, complete the application. These are the 3 steps in order to do it. These are the frequently asked questions. So it's, ask what documentation is required to register for TikTok Shop. It requires these particular things. For individual applicants or applications, whatever, the applicant must submit these following things. So there's a lot of stuff you're going to have to kind of give them. So a lot of information. There's these information. There's a lot of stuff you're going to have to do. So just keep that in mind. It's not like a super easy thing. It's not like making a TikTok account. It's a very much like almost like a legal process, it seems like. So when you're ready, you can click Sign Up Now. Go through this information as you normally would, or you can just sign in with your TikTok account if you'd rather do that. But that is basically it. You can log in via TikTok here. They're going to ask you to submit that information to them. But after that, that's basically all you're going to have to do. It's a very basic process. It just requires a lot of information. And from there, you should be good to go. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.